Twitter lifted the curtains on its much-anticipated plans to take the company public Friday. And with all the dirty laundry out in the open, some ad buyers are voicing concerns about the size of the short message service's audience. According to Twitter's Thursday IPO filing with the SEC, the company boasts 218 million monthly active users, but some advertisers are saying that audience isn't big enough. Ad buyers tell the Wall Street Journal the company needs significantly more users and a bigger sales force to win the kind of spending they want from their mass market clients. As you can see, Twitter's user growth has exploded in the past 4 years, from less than 50 million users to more than 218 million. But that's still less than 1/5 as many as rival Facebook's 1.15 billion, which, if you recall, had a less than stellar stock market debut last year when, after months of hype, shares failed to trade at the estimated $38 offering price. Facebook shares have only recently climbed above that figure, and the New York Times explains that spells potentially bad news for Twitter, as the battle for advertising dollars, the main source of revenue for these companies, may intensify in coming years. An investment specialist poses the question, are there going to be enough dollars out there to justify these valuations? Or will there be winners and losers? But a Bloomberg contributor offers an optimistic take on Twitter, explaining it's not just about how many users advertisers could potentially reach through the service, but ultimately how effective those ads end up being.
I think the most important thing to Twitter is whether they find that it has the efficacy that things like Google has had, where you had advertisers try out Google, find out it was successful, and spend a lot more for the same kind of ads.
Twitter's IPO filing says the company will seek to raise $1 billion, but that number should be considered more of a placeholder for now. Ultimately, Twitter's final IPO performance will depend on investors. For Newsy, I'm John O'Connor.